What do we got to eat in here? What caprisun goes on this straw? What the heck? So mad, I'm so flippin' mad. Straws on these caprisun. God, heck is this junk? Some pork chops and chicken. God, can't have nothing to eat ever. I got butter, probably rotten butter. Coffee mate, gingerbread. I found the straw for my caprisun. Now.
What are you doing, man?
Look at my caprisun and enjoy it.
That looks good. Can I have some of that caprisun?
No!
Oh no! Get him right! Ouch!
Some Smuckers grape jelly. Great. Nothing to eat here. Oh God. Aquarius spring water. What is this? What is it? No one names their water Aquarius. This is stupid. Some red hot. Where's my dang fly at? Oh, freaking mayo! Oh!